everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. Okay guys, so in this video I'll be going on a hike. Today is Saturday and it's 1:15. I am late. For a person who takes forever to finish at the mall, I'm very late. So what I'll be doing today is going to the mall to get some stuff for the hiking, because it's gonna be a hike and a picnic. So I need to get some things for the picnic. And yeah, and that's what I'll be doing. So come along with me as I go do that. And then don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, guys. Thank you so much for the participation and the support, the love, guys. I really appreciate it. And yeah, man, I'm really grateful for you guys. So yeah, I continue, guys, and let's go, guys. Let's go to the mall. I know I'm going to the mall and I look like this, guys. I woke up being happy. Like I was really happy, and I was like, can this makeup, can this compose it that I can look good at times. So this is just a mini thingy. Don't judge me, guys. I'm a new whatever beginner, whatever. But again, yeah, I pretty look good. Like I really look good. So let's go to the mall, and yeah, hopefully I'll be back very soon. So come along with me, guys. I am back and it's 6:17. Girl can shop, shame. Girl can definitely shop. I spent a lot of hours at the shops, but yeah, guys, I've got everything that I needed. Got things from Checkers, from Legit, and from H&M. So I'll be showing you the things that I got, guys. Hey, Nina, but let me show you first the things that I went for. The other things I did not go for, but okay, yeah, things that I went for tomorrow's hiking. So meals I bought also for my friend, because there is my friend that I'm also going with. So I got these salads. These are Greek salads. They are Greek pasta salads with some yogurt dressing. So yeah, got these. And then I got these packs, guys. These are packs, fruit packs, and they pack so nicely. Got two of those. And then I like plain yogurt. Yeah, well, I eat plain yogurt, and I do not know what my friend's gonna eat, so I don't think not everyone likes plain yogurt. Yeah, well, so I bought her the strawberry one instead of the plain yogurt. Yeah, and then I bought some mini crackers, and yeah, I hope this is not too much. Then I bought myself the steer fruit shots. I like these, guys. I really like them. I always buy them, but mostly I buy the ones from Woolworths, and I'm gonna be trying these ones out. I bought the CBD shot, which contains apples, spinach, green rooibos, and then the immunity shot, and then the energy shot. So yeah, probably I'm gonna be taking this one for tomorrow. I don't know, but okay, yeah, bought that. And those are the things I bought for the hike tomorrow. Now let me show you the things that I was not supposed to buy, like. But anyways, I'm glad that I bought H&M. And from H&M, let's see what I bought. Okay, I got this bag. This is a shopping bag. I got this shopping bag. And it looks so funky and cool. And it could just be a bag if I want to go to the shops quickly. I'll just take this bag instead of taking other things. And sometimes when I do deliveries, so this is like a cool bag to have, unlike my other big bag that I got. So this was a must, and it was very cheap, guys. It was 20 rand, like, yeah, well, so it was definitely worth it. It's just 20 rand, so yeah, I like it, and I like the colors matching. And then I got this from this from H&M. This looks very cool. It's I like this Minnie Mouse thing. It's a jersey, and it was just 150 rand, and I got it in large so that it can be baggy. Yeah, it's winter, guys, so yeah, you're gonna be seeing a lot of this because I'm gonna be wearing it while I'm in the house, or in my room rather. So yeah, and that is all that I got from H&M. Then these things I needed. Now this is something I really needed, because my things are in Cape Town, and I thought that I'll be having them already by now, by March, even not by March, by last year, but still they're not here, and I really need it. I've been really struggling to read the Bible through my phone app, so I wanted something like a hardcover, yeah, well, and you know, whenever you buy something new, it gives you some oomph and some, so I really do hope that it really does. I did buy this Bible. I bought it in a new international version, NIV. I like it, and yeah, it looks really perfect, like cute. And yeah, and then this I've been always wanting, guys. I've been always wanting like a daily book that will give you verses and will give you some inspiration. So it has like, it's the 1 year International Women of Jesus, or the Word of Jesus for women, and yeah, it gives you scriptures each and every day. So maybe this is January, and today's scripture, whatever scripture for the day. So I like this. It's really cute, footy, and it's really small, so there is no excuse of me not reading my Bible anymore. There's no excuse of me not having a verse for a day, so I don't need any excuse. So this is like a perfect book for me, and yeah, I am so happy that I bought these. And then at legit, what I got at legit, I needed, like, I also needed, I got these sandals. I got sandals. I know it's winter, my sandals are now tired, so I got these. And what's nice about them is that I got them on sale. They're from 160 to 80 rand. Yeah, today was 80 rand, so I'm really happy with these. So yeah, guys, that's everything that I got from the mall today, and yeah, I am pretty happy. So now what I have to do, wash my face and pack for tomorrow. So I have to pack for tomorrow, and yeah, set my alarm clock so that I can wake up early. That is it, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. We here, guys. Oh yeah! Guys, it's no longer nice. That's it. Is that right? Babes.
Akukho right.
Yo. I'm done. I'm done. Never match. No way. Wow, I enjoyed this hike so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.